Hello viewers, welcome to MSS Television. Today on Top Growing, we are going to do sums on Formulae and Variation, and I will be your peer teacher, Sylvia and Jerry. Welcome. And here is the question. Three quantities x, y, and z are such that x varies directly as the square root of y and inversely as the fourth root of z. When x is 64, y is 16, and z is 625. Let us now write the equation. X varies directly as the square root of y and inversely as the fourth root of z. To remove the proportionality sign, we introduce a constant. X is equals to k y over the fourth root of z. X is 64, y is 16, and z is 625. X is 64 is equals to k, y is 16, and the fourth root of 625. K 64 is equals to the square root of 16, which is 4. So let us now start with the 4k over the fourth root of 625. 625, 25, 25, 5, 5, 5, 5. It's 5. 5. We want to find k, so we multiply both sides by the reciprocal, by 5 over 4, by 5 over 4. K is equals to 80. And here is our first question. Determine the equation connecting x, y, and z. X, y, and z. X equals to our constant, which is 80, the square root of y over the fourth root of z. And we are done with our first question. On to our second question. Find the value of z when y is 36 and x is 160. Z, y is 36 and x is 160. Let us now substitute our equation. X, which is 160, is equals to our constant, which is 80, times the square root of 36, which is 6, times 6 over the value of z, fourth root of z. We cross multiply. It will be fourth root of z is times 160 is equals to 80 times 6. Now we have fourth root of z times 160 is equals to, this will be 480. So it will be fourth root of z times 160 is equals to 480. Let us make our z, fourth root of z our subject. So we divide by 160, 160. By here 1, by here 3. Fourth root of z is 3. To remove the fourth root, we power to 4. So 4, 4. The fourth root will cancel. So z will be 81. On to our last question. Find the percentage change in x when y is increased by 44%. The new y will be 144% of the original y. Now x equals k y over the fourth root of z. 144% is the same as 1.44y. To get the new x, we substitute y. It will be k square root of 1.44y over the fourth root of z. To get the percentage change in x, it will be the new x minus the original x over the original x times 100%. Therefore, the percentage change in x, it will be percentage change equals k 1.44y over the fourth root of z minus the original x, which is k, the square root of y over the fourth root of z, divided by the original x, which is k, square root of y over the fourth root of z, all these times 100%. Therefore, let us now find the square root of 1.44, which is 1.2. Let us now replace 1.2 in our equation. Therefore, we will have 1.2 k root of y over the fourth root of z minus k square root of y over the fourth root of z divided by k square root of y over the fourth root of z times 100%. What is common in this question is k square root of y over the fourth root of z 1.2 minus 1 over k square root of y over fourth root of z times 100%. This and this will cancel. Therefore, we shall have 1.2 minus 1 over 1 times 100%. 1.2 minus 1, it will be 0.2 times 100%. This will be 20%. That marks the end of our lesson today. See you next time. Goodbye, guys. Don't forget